Put the starch into a container as much 5 tablespoons. Add flour 2 tablespoons. Add pepper powder. Add masako or flavoring. Stir evenly. Add enough water. Then stir the dough until it becomes smooth. Wash your hands thoroughly to get the dough. Stir the dough using your hands so that it serves the shape. If the dough is like this, then the dough can be firm. Cut the cilok filling into small pieces. Take enough dough, then enter the filling which was cut early. Boil all the meatballs until the cilok mixture is cooked. Turn off the stove, remove all the cooked cilok. Then plating as good as possible. The final result.